Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Broadview, Saskatchewan. This friendly prairie town is located along the Trans-Canada Highway in the southeastern part of the province. Broadview has been a part of Saskatchewan's story since the 1880s, when the Canadian Pacific Railway was built through this area. It quickly became a stop for trains, settlers, and traders traveling across the country. The town got its name because of the wide, open views of the prairie that stretch out in every direction. In its early days, Broadview was an important center for farming and ranching, with people arriving from many different countries to settle on the land. Today, it's still a peaceful farming community surrounded by golden fields of grain, pasture land, and long stretches of prairie grass. The town is close to Cowessess First Nation and has a long connection to the history and people of this land. It's a simple, welcoming place where the sky feels endless and the pace of life is easy. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Broadview, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching.